You find that constant power.
I'll see.
Okay, good job. Chevy today. So today what we are going to be doing is putting a steering shaft in, and I'm also going to be taking out this regular steering column and throwing in a tilt column. Stay tuned. So definitely going to get these two bolts out here, underneath here. Then you got 4, I believe, on that firewall. Which we gotta, lift this up and get behind there and get. It should be able to peel back once I peel that off. But anyway, so gotta get those off. Then I gotta get this cotter pin that's on the shift linkage, the shifter right here. Then bolt here, and I already pulled this little plastic cover up, and we're taking that off down there. Like I said, I'm doing the steering column, so I just figured I'll do the steering column and the lower steering shaft on a box Chevy. So far, I reached behind here, pulled the cotter pin out, and shifter linkage came down, and it came right here. This is a 15mm bolt right here. You're gonna have to get it from this side. Yep, so got those two out, and now I'm gonna go here and work down on the bottom. I believe that is like a 10 or 11mm. So we got the steering column out. So it look like out, y'all. Make sure I keep that thing, don't tear that thing out, the isolator down there. Insulator, isolator, how you call it. Ready to go. We about to throw it back up in the box Chevy. I'm not using that steering wheel, so I didn't really care too much for not protecting it. Also replacing it as well, so I get this thing throw it back. Yeah, right now we got the 2 lower connectors connected. I'm gonna get that little foam towards the bottom wrapped around the front. You stick it in there and rotate it a little bit, you'll see that it's a little access where you can actually get that in, so you ain't fighting it so much. But yeah, so we're gonna get this in and get it bolted up. Like I said, I'm gonna get that foam around so we can get it pushed through.
So why you do it twice? I'm dripping this swag, I'm dripping this juice, I'm smoking this gas, smoking on booze. I'm drinking remixing just like that shit cool. I'm making these bands, you making the new. I step on the fake, cause you know what it do. I'm stretching remixing, that's one of the two. You come crashing out, then the line blessing you. Been trapping so long, man, it's part of my move. Been trapping so hard with that shit now. I'm fresh off the road, then I'm hopping back on. Just found me a girl and invested in fun. Beaches off the bag, I'm out in the pond. I'm fresh off the road, then I'm hopping back on. I found me a line, I'm getting it going. I'm fresh off the road, and I'm hopping back on. I'm fresh off the road, and I'm hopping back on. I'm fresh off the road, I just land with a load. I got a big basket of gas with them bows. Been drinking forever, the street shit sold. I get it for load and I'm selling it whole. You know that I'm a vet, you know that I'm seasoned. Ain't filing no taxes, I get it tax season. These niggas be telling, gotta give me a beat. A bitch with credit, you know she a keeper. Clearing the 50, that bitch should be scheming. Soon as I drop, going up on a feature. I got the drop, yeah, I know where to reach it. I'm a trap nigga, so talk about pieces. Do my dance on it, that should be the cleanest. By far the easiest way to put the steering column back is, of course, get the bottom lined up and get it to where your bolts is underneath this. And then bolt up these 2 bolts. Now, like blinding, gang. Bolt up them 2 bolts and then kind of tilt it, and it should line them holes right back up. Got everything bolted up in there. That smaller rubber piece I had to end up turning back around the opposite way. So that's what it looked like. We working our way around to putting the smaller steering shaft in. It's gonna be a narrow side and a wide side. So we got that up in there. I'm gonna stick something in there to try to knock it to where it can get more coverage on here.